Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable quick launch in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to special features and here select quick launch and just to enable this button quick launch so that you can use frequently used see the instruction access frequently used functions while unlocking your device. Okay, so if you are using frequently YouTube and other functions like Google Play Store, Google Home, etc., so that will be that can be accessed after unlocking your phone. Okay, see here. So in this way you can easily set quick launch in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye. See here, these are the suggested apps by enabling the quick launch. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.